Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1967 Camaro. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal. We have the double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, new balancer, Compcams roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Engine block is painted Chevrolet orange with the brass freeze plugs. We have the correct oil pan on there for the 67 Camaro. Black Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there, all the wire looms. It's real nice chrome TIG welded valve covers. We have the braided PCV hose on there, PCV valves installed, aluminum intake manifold, correct thermostat housing for the 67 Camaro. High flow thermostat installed, Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the oval billet aluminum air cleaner on there with a washable filter. Customer wanted the HEI distributor. We installed the HEI distributor. It's all set in place, ready to go. Customer's running a TKX transmission, standard transmission. We have the proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy. Pilot bushings installed, all set. We have the high torque mini starter on there, all set and aligned. Chrome dipstick and tube, chrome push-in breather. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups. We have the braided fuel line at the carburetor, electric choke wire, Russell fuel pressure gauge, muscle car series fuel pump. Customer wanted the braided fuel lines. We put all the braided fuel lines, all the AN fittings, loop clamps, Edelbrock gas filter going up to the carburetor there. This is the polished Wraptor pulley kit on here. Self-tensioning belt tensioner installed. Heavy-duty 8-rib serpentine belt. AC compressors on there. High-flow reverse rotation water pump. 160 amp one-wire hookup alternator. We have the GM Saginaw power steering pump on there. Every engine's live run and fully tested for 45 minutes at Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We set the timing with our timing light. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call. 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family operated business here. So there you have it. This is our 383 Chevy 475 horsepower engine, custom built for our customer's 1967 Camaro. Thanks for watching.